Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Chemistry by Mishal. In today's video, I am going to show you step by step how to make a stacked FTIR graph for comparing multiple infrared spectra. Now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that your FTIR data is well organized. Each of your samples must have wave number on x-axis and either absorbance or transmittance, whatever you want to choose, on y-axis. Like here, I have 3 samples, AC1 and AC2 and AC3. For each sample, I have transmittance and wave number. And if you are dealing with multiple samples having similar x-axis, you can also show it like this. Like I have just one column for x-axis of all my samples, and I have different columns for my y-axis. Like here, I have T column for AC1 and U column for AC2. But I will choose this method. I will select all my desired data, copy it, and I will paste it in my Origin software. Open your Origin software and then paste it like this. You have to remove these 2 rows, they are unnecessary. Delete it. Then you have to check. Here is your x-axis of your sample 1. Like I will name it as AC1, and it should be your x-axis. So you have to right click it, set as x-axis, rename this y2. It is for AC2. Change it to x-axis. Then rename your y3 as AC3. Okay. Then select all your data. Move here and select your line graph. It will create a simple 2D line graph. Here is stacked FTIR graph, but I don't want to show it like this. First of all, you have to change the x-axis from 4000 to 400. Double click on x-axis, then go to scale, change it to 4000 to 400 per centimeter. Then check here, it is by increment, value must be 500, it's much better than 1000. Then click on OK, it's alright. Then double click on x-axis. I have to make a stacked FTIR graph, so I am changing it into 200 instead of 105. Then I will click here, value almost, I think 30 will be better than 10. Okay. Then I will label its x and y axis, transmittance for y axis, and wave number for x axis. Select your -1, then change it into superscript. Okay. Now you want to compare these graphs, but you cannot compare it like this. You have to go to format, then go to layer properties, go to stack, then select your individual. You want your y-axis to be individual, like, then select OK. Then double click on the graph. Edit mode must be independent. Then select OK. Select your graph like this. You want AC1 above, so select AC1. It must be there. Then there will become AC2 here, and here is AC3. As you are making a stacked FTIR graph, it is not necessary to show the stick levels. So double click it, then it will open a dialog box. Here don't show it, then select OK. Move your transmittance close to your y-axis. Then click on your graph spectra. Change the width from 0.5 to 1.5. Then select AC2. Change it into 1.5 as well. And similarly for AC3, 1.5. Now we have to label all the peaks because it is showing almost same peaks. So we will add some straight lines. Go to graph, then add a straight line, open dialog box, I will add it 3300. Okay, here is, and then I will select it, change it into dash dot form, and I will also change the font size 18. It's much better. And I will also change the width 1.5. Similarly, I will label all my values. I will move to graph, add straight line, open dialog box, 1500. Okay, 1500. 1.5 dash dot and 18 size. Now again move to graph, add straight line, open dialog box, 1100, change it to 1.5. So it into dash dot, 18 into 18, select OK. I want to mention this line, 1181. Okay, it's final look of your graph. Now in order to export your graph, go to File, then go to Export Graph, open dialog box. Here you have to change it into TIFF. Then you have to change the long name. I want to name it as stacked graph 1 to 3. Then I will save it on my desktop. So I will select desktop. Then I will click on OK, and that's it. You can show your graph here. It's the final look of my graph. Thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.